Nitesh, how are you?
I'm good.
Excellent. What are we doing today?
I'm doing skydiving.
Yes, sir. We're here at Skydiving by the Palm. We're going to go up 4,000 meters to jump. How does it make you feel?
Super excited.
Not nervous?
Yeah, I'm nervous too.
A little, yeah, good mixture of emotions.
Yeah, mixture of nervousness and excitement.
And is there a reason that you're jumping today or just for fun?
Just for fun.
Excellent. Did you understand everything your instructor said?
Yeah.
Any questions?
Thank you so much.
Nothing to it but to do it. Let's go have some fun.
I'm crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly. I'm crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me.
My man, welcome back.
Thank you so much.
Leave the harness on. Don't take it off. Leave it back on.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Tell me all about it. How was it?
That's great, that's great.
Yes, very good. What was your favorite part? What was the best?
When jumping into the plane.
Very fast, huh?
Yeah.
Would
so
you do it again?
Yeah, definitely.
Amazing, my man. Thank you so much for jumping here at Skydiving by the Palm. Big thanks to Luna for saving your life.
Thank you, Matthew. Thank you.
See you next time.